Hello everyone, and welcome to Zenwork Payments. In this video, we'll walk through how to bulk import bills and schedule payments quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. From the Payments dashboard, begin by selecting the respective payer. Each payer may have multiple vendors associated with them. Once you've selected the payer, navigate to the Bills section. Click on Create Bills, and then choose Bulk Import. Next, download the template provided. This template is pre-formatted to ensure your data uploads correctly. Click on the Instructions tab and read the instructions carefully. This will help you to fill the template accurately. Before entering your details, please ensure you read and remove the note included in the template. Now, update the template with all the required vendor bill details and save the file once completed. After saving the file, return to the platform, click on Upload File, and then click Next. Once the file is uploaded successfully, you'll be redirected to the bill list page. Here, you'll see details such as bill numbers, vendor names and IDs, bill dates, and due dates. If the payer enters incorrect details, such as an incorrect vendor ID, the system will automatically retrieve and populate the correct information based on the data available within the platform. If there are any pending fixes, make sure to review and correct them. Click on the edit icon next to the respective bill, update the necessary information, and save your changes. Repeat this process for any other bills that require corrections. After all issues have been resolved, select the bills and click on Import. Then, click Continue to schedule bills. On the Schedule Payment page, choose the appropriate payment date and click on Schedule Payment. If the payer wants to schedule multiple payment methods for multiple bills, they can select the checkbox and choose the required payment dates. Once scheduled, you'll be able to see all the bills listed with accurate information, and their payment status will be updated to scheduled. And that's it. You've successfully bulk imported and scheduled your bills in Zenwork Payments. Thank you for watching.